This video is about the Options app routine to create the sub-canvas and outline it in black. The first instruction says if the state is equal to 1, go to FJ. FJ simply says go back home. Don't do anything. Because if the state is 1, the operation isn't done in a sub-canvas, it's done in canvas 3. So this operation routine really isn't done then. However, when the state is 0, that means it needs a sub-canvas. So the first thing it does, sets the color to 0, and then it goes and gets a given pattern and puts it in the Pat2 list. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to now go and look at given patterns and find this pattern. We go over here to the brown box, and at the top of this box it says Patterns. We're going to click there. Then we're going to go over here and we're going to click on set number 1. Pattern 2 is a square box. We also were using given pattern 6, which is a hexagon. And we also use given pattern 25, which is this star. That is the green star we use. Alright, we'll click on None and go back. Well, the next thing it does after getting the square into the Pat2 list is adjust it for tall and wide. It says over here 100% of how tall, but 120% for wide. That means it no longer be a square, but it'll be a rectangle. It'll be wider than it is tall. So it just adjusted it for the purpose. It sets rotation to 0, size to 220, the XY to 550, 200. Then, because it's going to do a drawing here, it has to set the quill variable. That tells it how wide it's to be. So here it's going to do the dots list that can be used by the poly draw. And now we know that the width of what it's going to draw is Q here. It says 2. It draws it. Then it says dots Pat2 14, which says now this is a sub-canvas. The rectangle you just drew is a sub-canvas. Now, we could have made a sub-canvas without drawing its outline. But in our case, we want to know where the sub-canvas is. Alright, that's the routine of drawing the sub-canvas for the Options app.